Okay, good morning, all of you. Am I audible? Okay, good morning, all of you. Am I audible? Please respond me, anyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so just wait, I am starting. Okay, so very good morning, all of you. So we have discussed in last classes, this is steady state error analysis. So any questions, anyone? Otherwise, mute yourself. Okay, so we have discussed in last classes, this is steady state error analysis. And this steady state error analysis, we have taken, there are type 0 system, type 1 system, type 2 system, and so on. This is the basically different types of step response, that is a unit step, unit ramp, and also unit parabolic input. So last classes we have discussed, this is the type 0 systems. Okay, so today we will discuss, this is type 1 system for the various types of steady state response. So the topic is type of transfer function. TF means that is a transfer function. Okay, and steady state error. Okay, so previous class we have to know that is type 0 system. Okay, so today we will discuss that is a number 2, that is a type 1 system. So first of all, we know, so in this type 1, type 0, we have to classify it into 3 categories. This is unit step input response, unit ramp input response, another one is parabolic, that is a unique parabolic input response. So this first one, that is type 1 system. My whiteboard is visible, all of you? Please respond me, anyone? My whiteboard is visible, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, first we know that is type 1 system with unit step input response. Okay, so first equation we have to know, these are the basically transfer functions, that is GS, HS, this is equal to, you know, previous, that is K into 1 plus STA into 1 plus STB dot. Okay, we know that. Then this is S into 1 plus ST1 into 1 plus ST2 dot. Okay, so we know that. So here this is TA and TB, this is for the control system equation, that is a 0, and this T1 and T2, these are the basically different poles. So these are the n number of zeros we have to input it, and the denominator part we have to input it the n number of poles. Okay, so now we know these are the basically proportional constant, that is Kp, that is limit s tends to 0, the equation is GSHS. This is the transfer function. So we know that value, that is limit s tends to 0, value put it, that is k into 1 plus STA, 1 plus STB into S into 1 plus ST1 and 1 into ST2. Okay, dot dot. This is the n number of terms, poles and zero we have to input it here. So in this case, sorry. So in this case, we know that is the here k is the infinite range. That means the type 1 system here the value of k is constant. That is the k is infinite range. So when k is infinite, that means the steady state error. That means ESS. This is equals to 1 by 1 plus kp. Okay, because we know that equation. Here you can see this, when you have to put it the value of kp, the value of kp, that is equals to, that is a k, we know in previous classes also. But sorry for the interruptions because their network is unstable. Am I audible? Okay. So first we know that is the basically type 1.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes. Any questions, anyone?
Hello. Hello.
Yes, Deepak. Any question? Any
No,
questions? So please mute your voice.
Hello. क्या हुआ? कहाँ meet कर लेते हैं?
Okay, so these are the basically type 1 system with unit step input response. So we know the transfer function, this is GSHS, that is equals to k into 1 plus STA into 1 plus STB. Okay, and the poles part, that is S into 1 plus ST1 into 1 plus ST2. We know that this is the number of n number of poles and zero. We have to input it in the transfer function equation. Now we know this is the proportional constant, the equation that is limit s tends to 0, the transfer function that is GSHS. Okay, so we have to put at the value of GSHS, that is limit s tends to 0 into k into 1 plus STA 1 plus STB dot dot. This is n number of terms by S into 1 plus ST1 into 1 plus ST2. So we know that, so this is basically TA and TB, this is basically the 0, and another one, this is T1 and T2, this is basically the poles format we have to put it here also. So in this case, we know that when the proportional constant, that is Kp, we know previously the Kp is equal to the, that is K. This K is the proportional constant of this unit step response in the type 1 system. So here the K is infinite range. So when K is infinite, since the steady state error, we know that expression, that is equals to 1 by 1 plus Kp, because we know that is Kp is equal to the K. So value of K is infinite in that case, we know that. So we have to put it the value. Sorry for that. This is equals to ESS, this is equals to 1 by 1 plus infinite. That means ESS, this is equals to the value is 0. Okay. So type 1 system with unit step input response, the steady state error value is always 0. Okay. So this is the expression of the unit step response in the type 1 system. Okay. Next, number B, that is type 1 system with unit ramp input. Signal. So we know that ramp input signal, that means the same equation transfer function GSHS. This is equals to K into 1 plus STA into 1 plus STB dot dot dot. Then this is also S into 1 plus ST1 into 1 plus ST2 dot dot dot. We know that these are the same equations for the given transfer functions. So what is the ramp input functions? We know that velocity. So velocity we have to measure, that is Kv. Kv is the velocity constant. We know that previous classes we discussed it clearly. So the equation is, that is limit s tends to 0. Transfer function. This is also S, GS, HS. Okay. So we put the value of transfer function limit s tends to 0, S into this one K into 1 plus STA into 1 plus STB. These are the basically different 0. We know that TA, TB, TC dot dot TN. This is the n number of 0. And pole, that is S into 1 plus ST1 into 1 plus ST2 dot dot and so on. Okay. So that KV, these are the basically velocity constant. We know that because previous classes we know where unit step response, it is basically position or displacement constant, displacement calculations for the using the unit step response. When you have to calculate the velocity, that is the unit ramp input function. When you have to calculate the accelerations of the systems, this time you have to use the parabolic input function. Is it clear, all of you? Is it clear? So now we know that here Kv, that is the velocity constant, this is equals to K in that equation. So that means the value is steady state error. The equation we know that 1 by Kv. So here Kv equals to, that is the 1, that means ESS, that is equals to 1 by K. So this is basically the expression of the type 1 system with unit step response. Unit ramp input functions. Is it clear? So this is a short form. That is a short question coming in your examination purpose. Explain the expression of the type 1 system with either unit ramp or unit step or unit parabolic input functions. So it is clear. This is the basically expression of the ramp input functions. Is it clear? There are 28 participants, but no one is response. So this is very bad. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
आप लोगों को क्लास नहीं अच्छा लगता है, रिस्पॉन्स नहीं देते आप लोग। हम लोग एक क्लास 2 क्लास लेते हैं, मतलब हम लोग ही बक बक करते हैं, आप लोगों के पास से कुछ मतलब ऐसा मतलब रिस्पॉन्स कुछ भी नहीं मिलता है। मैं इसके बाद एक एक करके मतलब नाम को करके मतलब उसको पूछूंगा, तो इसमें आप लोगों को क्लास का मतलब शॉर्ट टाइम हो जाएगा, एक ही टॉपिक मतलब पूरा क्लास में कवर होगा। आप लोग रिस्पॉन्स नहीं दीजिएगा तो हमें क्या मालूम आप लोगों को मतलब अंडरस्टैंड हुआ है नहीं हुआ। Okay, so this is the unit ramp input function. Okay, previous we have to discuss that is type 1 system for the unit step input function. This is the basically expression for the steady state error response of the unit step response. Next, this is basically type 1 system for the unit ramp input function. This is the expression of the steady state error for the ramp function, that is a 1 by k. We know that when you have to calculate the ramp input function, this is basically velocity calculation. So this is basically kb, that means the velocity constant. Okay. Next, we go number 3rd. Type 1 system with unit parabolic input. Unit parabolic input. Okay. So same equation, transfer function. This is GSHS. This is equals to, you know, this is k into 1 plus STA into 1 plus STB dot denominator part S into 1 plus ST1 into 1 plus ST2 dot. Okay. So we know that when we have to calculate the unique parabolic input, this is basically calculate the acceleration equation, acceleration calculation. So Ka, that is the acceleration constant. So this is the expression of unit parabolic input function. So this is the general form, that is limit s tends to 0. In that parabolic function, we know that the function is a square into the given equation, that is GSHS. Okay. That is into GSHS. Now we have to put the value of the transfer function, that is limit s tends to 0 is square into what is the value of GSHS? We know that is k into 1 plus STA 1 plus STB dot. Denominator part is into, this is 1 plus ST1 into 1 plus ST2 dot. Okay, we know that. So when the acceleration functions we have to use it, and previously we have to calculate it, the Ka, this is equals to also 0. So when this K is 0, that means here K is equal to, that is a K, that is ESS, that means steady state error. ESS equals to 1 by Ka. We know that this equation. So now we have to put it steady state error, the calculation is ESS, it is equal to 1 by 0. So 1 by 0, that means infinite. So value is ESS, that is equals to infinite. Okay, so this value is very important. So this is basically unit parabolic input function. Okay, so these are the type 1 system. Here you can see unit step response for the type 1 system, value is steady state error, that is 0. When this is ramp input function, the value is 1 by k, and also parabolic input, that is also infinite range. Okay, is it clear? This is type 1 system for the 3 input functions. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, thank you. Next part, type 2 system. So in your syllabus, this type 0, type 1 and type 2, these 3 type of equation is available. Okay, so last number third, this is type 2. System with unit step input. Okay, unit step input. First, we have to discuss unit step, then ramp, then parabolic. So the same transfer functions, that is GS, HS, this is equals to K into 1 plus STA into 1 plus STB dot dot. This is basically 0, and denominator part it is expressed for the poles. This is S into ST1 into 1 plus ST2. Okay, and this is also, that is A square. That is a type 2. When this is type 2 format, that means power of S, that is 1. Previous one, here you can see this is the S to the power 1. So this is the basically type 2, type 1 and type 0 systems. So when the unit step response, we know that proportional constant, that is Kp, that is position controller. That's why we have to here P for position or displacement. So the expression, that is Kp equals to limit S tends to 0, GS, HS. Now we have to put the value of GSHS, that is limit S tends to 0. The value is GSHS, that is K into 1 plus STA into 1 plus STB dot dot dot. This is 0, and denominator part, that is S square. S square means this is the basically type 2 system. When type 2 is coming, power of S is 2. When type 1 system, that is power of S, that is 1. Okay, that is 1 plus ST1 into 1 plus ST2 dot dot. Okay, this is and so on. Okay, up to this part it is clear, all of you? Okay, now we know that, 1 minute. We know that here Kp is infinite in the unit step response. So when Kp is infinite, since the steady state error value, that is expression is, we know that 1 by 1 plus Kp. So here Kp is equals to, that is infinite, that means ESS equals to 1 by 1 plus infinite. So this is ESS 1 by infinite, that is equals to the value that is also 0. Okay, so this is the basically expression for the type 2 system with the unit step input function. Okay, it is clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we go the unit ramp input function. Okay, next, that is B, that is type two system with unit ramp input function. Okay, when unit ramp input function, this is basically constant is kv, that is velocity. Okay, so the equation is same, that is gs hs, this is equals to k into 1 plus sta into 1 plus stb. This is basically different zero of the transfer function, and this is basically a square for the type 2 system, that is 1 plus st1 into 1 plus st2 dot dot dot. Okay, this is general form of the type 2 system for the unit ramp input function. We know that the constant is kv, v for velocity. Okay, when ramp input function you have to consider, this is for the velocity calculations of the transfer function. So the expression is limit s tends to 0, function is s into gs into hs. Okay, gs hs. This is very easy. You have to practice in your room. This is basically step by step. You have to easily understand and easily you have to remember these terms also. Limit s tends to 0. Now we have to put the value of GSHS. This is k into 1 plus STA into 1 plus STB dot dot dot. This is the square 1 plus ST1 into 1 plus ST2 dot dot dot. Clear? Now we know that is velocity constant, that is kv is infinite. When this is infinite, that means the steady state value, that is, we know the expression in the ramp input function, that is 1 by kv. So 1 by kv value is infinite, we know. So when it is infinite, that means ESS, that is equals to also 0. Okay, so this is the value of the type 2 system with unit ramp input function, ESS, that is equals to 0. Okay, it is clear, all of you? Up to this
Yes,
part,
sir.
yes, up to this part, anyone, any doubt or any question, so please ask me, because this is basically type 2 systems. So in your exam, one question, it is also very important, either type 0 or type 1 and also type 2 systems. Okay, so this is basically type 2 ramp input function. Now we go the another last part, that is parabolic input function for the type 2 system. Okay, so see, that is type 2 system with unit parabolic input functions. Okay, parabolic input. We know that when parabolic input equation you have to solve, this is for the accelerations. Okay, that means ka, constant is ka. So the equation, we know that same GSHS, that is equals to k into 1 plus STA into 1 plus STB dot dot dot. This is why we know that this is type 2 system, that means a square into 1 plus ST1 into 1 plus ST2 dot dot. This is 0 of the transfer functions. So the constant term for the parabolic input, that is that is ka, that is a for acceleration. So we know that the expression is limit s tends to 0. This is a square for the parabolic input function into gs hs. Now we have to put the value of the GSHS, that means s tends to 0, a square into k into previous equations, all of you know. divided by this is a square into 1 plus st1 into 1 plus st2. Here you can see these are the basically a square. Here you can see this is a square and this is a square. These two are cutting. So only this one is present, that means Ka. This is also Ka. So when limit you have to value this putted, the equation is coming, that is only Ka, that is equals to only K. So when this is K is A equal to that is K, that means the steady state error response equation, we know that 1 by Ka. So we have putted the value Ka, the value is K. Okay, so this is the basically required expression for the type 2 system unit parabolic input function. Okay, is it clear, all of you? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so everyone write your own name and roll number in the chat box also. Now, so we discussed in previous class type 0 and today also type 1 and type 2. This is type 1 unit step, type 1 unit ramp, type 1 parabolic, and then next type 2, that is unit step function, type 2 unit ramp input function, and last type 2 system is unit parabolic. So now we have to draw by another important table. Sorry, one input table we have to cover. So this table is very important. Okay, so now I am draw the table so everyone see this. First, this one for the input response, then another input we have to draw here. This is basically for the type 0 and type 1 and type 2 system we have to know. This is for the type 0 and this is type 1 and type 2. Okay, now we have to divide it, this equation in the this part also. Everyone draw this chart in your exercise books because this is very important. Okay, so please everyone draw this chart in your exercise book or in your diary because this chart is very important for remember this total response, that is type 1, type 2 and type 0 system. Okay, in your control system, something like that, like this. Okay, now we have to put it the value. This is input, that is the Laplace of input. This is the type 0 system. This is type 1 system. Gautam is present. Gautam is not present. Okay, Sandeep, are you hear me? Sandeep, are you hear me?
Yes, sir.
So please you take a screenshot of the participant list in any one page, okay? Then after ending the class, you have to send me. This is for the attendance. Okay, thank you. So type 1, type 0, these are the different equations. Oh, just wait. This is the static error coefficient. This is steady state error. This is steady state error. This is the steady state error. This is the static error coefficient. This is the also static error coefficient. So first unit step we have to value put it. This is the function 1 by s. The static we know the expression that is equals to kp equals to k, and steady state error 1 by 1 plus k. In the type 1 system, that is kp is infinite and value of steady state that is 0. In the type 2, that is kp is infinite, this is also 0. Then unit ramp. We know that the equation is 1 by a square. The Laplace, that is kv, that is the velocity calculation, we know that kv is equal to 0. Here this is also infinite. Type 1, that is kv equals to k. Steady state error, that is 1 by k. And here type 2 kv, that is infinite, it is also 0. Last one, that is unit parabolic function. So we know that function is 1 by s cube, that is acceleration calculation, that is k equals to 0. This is also infinite. Type 1 system, that is ka, that is equals to 0. Steady state error, that is infinite. Type 2 system that is also ka. This is also k, another, that is k. Okay. So this chart, it is very important. Please everyone note down this chart. This is very important for the control system. Type 0, type 1 systems. Okay, is it clear? So these are the basically different forms we have to cover last two classes. Type 0 system, type 1 system, and type 2 systems. Okay, so this type 2 here we have to calculate the first unit step response, then also unit ramp input function, then unit parabolic functions. So this is the Laplace of the unit step 1 by s, unit ramp, that is 1 by s square, unit parabolic, that is the 1 by s cube. So this is the basically type 0 constant value, that is proportional constant kp equals to k, that is the k